Your tea is ready. ستا چای تیار دی. Your tea is ready. د دې جملې په سر کې بوت لیکلی شوی دی، نو دې دا مطلب دی چې دا جمله د نارینه او زنانه دواړو دپاره استعمالیږي. نو چې کله هم داسې بوت راشي نو دې به دغه مطلب وي. Your work is perfect. ستا کار ښکلی دی. Your work is perfect. Your hair looks nice. ستا ویښته ښکلي ښکاري. Your hair looks nice. Your handwriting is neat. ستا لیکایي صفا ده. Your handwriting is neat. Your story is interesting. ستا قصه زړه راښکونکې ده. Your story is interesting. یعنی ستا قصه انټرسټینګ ده. Your food smells good. ستا د خوراک بوی ښکلی دی. Your food smells good. Your bag fell down. ستا بسته ورتاوه شوه. Your bag fell down. Or you can say, یا تاسو ویلی شئ Your bag fell down. ستا بسته وغورځېده. Your bag fell down. Your brother called me. ستا ورور ما ته فون وکړو. Your brother called me. Your teacher is strict. ستا استاذ سخت دی. Your teacher is strict. Your plan sounds great. ستا منصوبه بهترین ده. Your plan sounds great. Your shoes are under the bed. ستا پیزار د کټ لاندې دي. Your shoes are under the bed. Your time will come. ستا وخت به راشي. Your time will come. Your words hurt me. ستا الفاظو مال تکلیف راکړو. Your words hurt me. Your voice is loud. ستا आवाज لوړ دی. Your voice is loud. یا تاسو ویلی شئ Your voice is loud. ستا आवाज تیز دی. Your room is clean. ستا کمره پاکه ده. Your room is clean. یا تاسو ویلی شئ Your room is clean. ستا کمره صفا ده. Your behavior is good. ستا چلند ښه دی. Your behavior is good. یعنی ستا رویه ښه ده. یا تاسو ویلی شئ Your behavior is good. ستا رویه ښه ده. This book is yours. دا کتاب ستا دی. This book is yours. That pen is yours. دا قلم ستا دی. That pen is yours. The bag is yours. دا بسته ستا ده. The bag is yours. The phone is yours. دا فون ستا دی. The phone is yours. The car is yours. موټر ستا دی. The car is yours. The house is yours. کور ستا دی. The house is yours. The idea is yours. خیال ستا دی. The idea is yours. The mistake was yours. غلطی ستا وه. The mistake was yours. The decision is yours. فیصله ستا ده. The decision is yours. The win is yours. ګټه ستا ده. The win is yours. یعنی جیت ستا دی. The loss is yours. نقصان ستا دی. The loss is yours. The choice is yours. انتخاب ستا دی. The choice is yours. The seat is yours. کرسی ستا ده. The seat is yours. The turn is yours. Number ستا دی. The turn is yours. The success is yours. کامیابی ستا ده. The success is yours. The mistake isn't mine. It's yours. غلطی زما نه ستا ده. The mistake isn't mine. It's yours. That story is yours. دا قصه ستا ده. That story is yours. The bag looks like yours. ښکاری دا چې دا بسته ستا ده. The bag looks like yours. All this is yours. دا ټول ستا دي. All this is yours. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل PE سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو په دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.